morning, children. I hope you are in good health. God bless you and your family. In previous video, I explained logo primitive. I hope you are enjoying this new topic. And today, I will discuss how to draw logo alphabet using that primitive. Now let's start the lesson. So before I start this lesson, first I want to give some recap what I have done in the previous video. In the previous video, you learn about what is language, what is computer language, what is logo, what are the different screens of logo, what is turtle, and what is the use of fd command, use of bk command, how to use home command, how to turn your turtle by using lt and rt command. And today I am going to explain how to draw logo alphabets. You have 26 alphabet. From that, your system alphabet is 90-degree alphabet and 5 alphabet is using 45 degree and 5 alphabet is using 135 degree. So first we will start a logo alphabet of all 90 degree. First we will start with a small figure, that is your L. Now in this L, your turtle position is here. Whenever you are drawing any logo figure, first you have to see the turtle figure, turtle position. Now see, turtle position is here. Now here you are going to draw a line which is present the left side of the turtle. So this is the right side and this is the left side. Then if I am using fd command, then it will move the turtle direct upward, that is straight. But I want to draw the line which is in the left side. So what should I do? First I will use LT90. When you use LT90, then it will turn the turtle to its left side. This way it will turn like this. Then your face is this way in this direction, left direction. Then we are using FD40. That means FD40 means it will move the turtle to here and it will draw the line. Now again, when your turtle position is here, you want to draw a line, a vertical line. So you want to draw the line this way, that is your right side of your turtle. So if you are using FD40, so before that we are using RT90. First use RT90, it moves the turtle to its right side. Then you have to use FD80. Now your command is LT90, so it will turn like this. Then FD40, it will draw the line. Then RT90, it will turn this direction. Then FD80 means it will draw this line. So this way you will draw the same L. Now see the next figure. Next is your C. It is same as your L, only one extra line is there at the top. So again you start from here. Turtle position is here. First you have to turn the turtle to left side, LT90. Then move the turtle to this position by using FD40 command. When you come to this position, here again you think whether the line you have to draw in right side or left side. So when your turtle is this position, this line is in the right side. So you have to use RT command. It will turn the turtle again this way. Then use FD80. It will move the turtle to this position and draw the line. Again when your turtle is this position, again you think whether the line is in the right side or in the left side. So here line is in the right side. So you have to use RT90. Then it will move the turtle this way and you have to use FD40. It will draw the line. Now so here command is first LT90, then FD40, then RT90, then FD80, then RT90 and FD40. So it will draw the same C. Then see the next alphabet is your T. Now here your turtle is this position. Neither you are drawing the line in left side nor in the right side. Your turtle face is here. That means if you are using FD command, direct it will move in forward direction. So when you are using the FD command, here FD 80 means it move the turtle forward direction 80 steps. Now it will reach here. Now here you have the line in right side as well as in the left side. So what will you do? Here either you can give LT command or you can also give the RT command. Suppose you are giving RT command, then it will move the turtle this side. Then you have to use FD20. Why I am using FD20? Because this total length is 40 steps. So this side, right side 20 steps and left side 20 steps. So here if I am using RT90, now my position is the middle. So RT90 it will move this direction. Then FD20 means it will draw this line. Then you want to draw the line here, full line, then you have to use BK40 means from here to here it will draw the 40 steps. So your command is FD80, then RT90, then FD20, then BK40. It will draw the figure T. Next we will move to the next figure. Then is your U. Now in a U, your turtle is here. Now if your turtle is here, first you have to draw this vertical line. That means upward. Upward means which command you have to use? FD command. So here you write FD80. So here move the turtle from this position to this position. When you are using FD80, the turtle will move to the top. But you want to draw the line here. So again you have to use BK80. First use FD80, go this position to draw the line. Again you have to use BK80, you come to this position. So that you can draw the line here. So here you have to use, this line is which direction? In the right direction. So you use the RT command, RT90, then it will move the turtle in right side and it will draw the line. So when you are using FD40, here it will draw this base line. It will draw this line. Then now turtle position is here. Then what will you do? Whether it is left side or right side, it is in the left side. Again you have to use LT90, then you have to use FD80, it will draw this line. Now suppose instead of turtle here, suppose your turtle is this position. Then what will you do? So instead of using FD80, BK80, direct you can write BK80. Suppose your turtle position is, starting position is here. Then direct you can write BK80, then RT90, then FD40, then LT90, then FD80. So whenever you are drawing or writing the logo command, first you check where is your turtle position. Suppose same thing, suppose turtle is given here. Then what will the command? In this case, again you have to use BK80, then this is left side, so LT90, then FD40, then RT90, then FD80. So this way you can draw U. Means depending on the position, your command also vary. Now next figure is your H. Now here, turtle position in this position. First you have to draw this vertical line. So you have to use FD80. So it will move this position to this position. Again you have to back half of the length. That means 40. So FD80, then BK40. Written FD80, then BK40. It will move to here. Now this line is in the right side. So here you have to use RT90. So it will move to right side. Then FD40 means it will draw this 40 length line. Now here again the line is both side, upward and also downward. So either you can use LT command or you can also use RT command. If you are using LT command, use LT, then FD40, then BK80 full length. That means total is 80. So here 40 space, here 40. So you move FD40, then BK80. Or suppose you are using instead of LT, suppose you are writing RT. Then also RT90, FD40 and BK80. Both are correct. Now your next figure is T. Now this is the total position. Okay. So you move from this position to this position. What will be the command? FD 80. So it will move here to here. Then this line is in the right side. So this is, if this is the total position, this is the right side line. So RT 90, it will turn the total this way. Then FD 40. Then it will draw this line. FD 40, it will draw this line. Then again here, you turn right side. Clockwise means right side. So clockwise you have to turn. So use RT 90. Then again use FD 40. It will draw this line. Again you are turning this clockwise. So RT 90. So it will move here. Again you have to draw this line. FD 40. So your command is FD 80. It will draw this line. Then RT 90, it will turn right side. Then FD 40 means it draw this line. Then RT 90 means again it turn clockwise here. Again FD 40 means it will draw this line. Again RT 90 means turn this way. Then FD 40 means it will draw this line. Now whatever figure we have seen, everything you will note down in a computer notebook. Neatly you have to draw the figure. One page you draw one figure, one side you draw figure, and other side you write commands. Then we will explain rest of the figure in next class. Thank you.